We're also following a breaking news alert this afternoon. Metro Police want your help. They're trying to find the driver of a pickup who they say rammed into a family's SUV and then fired shots at them. I want to go to Mai Owen. She's at the WKRN.com alert desk. Mai?
Well, Mark, investigators want you to take a look at pictures of the suspect's pickup truck. There's one thing that will make it stand out. Take a look. Police say this black Dodge Ram TRX pickup with a white tailgate and bumper followed a family on I-40 near Demumbrian Street on Monday, January 15th. The family says the suspect pulled in front of them, reversed, and deliberately crashed into the driver's side of their Dodge Durango. They say the driver fired several rounds at them as they fled down an off ramp. Thankfully, no one was hurt. None of the shots fired hit the SUV. But if you recognize that pickup or know anything about this crime, call Crime Stoppers at 615-74-CRIME. Mark.